I'm Jest from Jhuxtello iTech, and welcome to today's GES Quicknews Broadcast. In this episode, we're talking about one of the hottest topics for all students, parents, and educators: the release date for the 2024 WASSCE results. If you wrote the 2024 WASSCE, you're probably wondering when your results will be out. You're not alone. Thousands of students and families are anxiously waiting for the results after months of hard work and preparation. The West African Examinations Council, WASSCE, which oversees the WASSCE, plays a major role in determining when the results are ready. These results are critical, as they determine your next steps for tertiary education, both in Ghana and around the world. Now, let's talk about when the 2024 WASSCE results are expected to be released. When will the 2024 WASSCE results be released? Based on historical data, WASSCE results typically come out 45 to 60 days after the last paper is written. For 2024, that puts the release date somewhere between late November and early December 2024. So, if you took your WASSCE this year, you should be on the lookout for the results around this time. But why does it take so long for the results to come out? There are a few key factors that influence the timeline. How to check your 2024 WASSCE results. Once the results are out, here's how you can check them. Purchase a WASSCE results checker. You'll need a results checker voucher with a unique PIN and serial number. Visit the WASSCE results portal. Go to the official website at ghana.wecdirect.org and follow the instructions to check your results. We've got a full guide on this, so be sure to check it out. Visit the WASSCE results portal. Go to the official website at ghana.wecdirect.org and follow the instructions to check your results. We've got a full guide on this, so be sure to check it out. Now, let's move on to some key tips on what to do after you get your results. Conclusion. In summary, the 2024 WASSCE results are expected to be released between late November and early December 2024. Make sure to check your results on time, evaluate your next steps, and prepare for your future. Whether that means applying to university, preparing for interviews, or seeking scholarships. Good luck to all the 2024 WASSCE candidates. Stay tuned for more updates, and be sure to subscribe to GES Quicknews for the latest educational news and tips.